Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to do more fun with cloning. Last class we have understood what is the concept of cloning, how we create clones, how we make it go to different position, how can we experiment with numbers, how can we create circles. We created army of cats, we made circular cats. So today we are going to practice more on Scratch. Let's Scratch. Okay, let's say we are creating a star trail. I'll take a star sprite, which I'm going to control with my mouse pointer. So wherever my mouse pointer is going, I want star to follow it, right? I think I'll take a nice background, which makes it look really nice. This is my favorite background. Let's start. So I'll do when the green flag is clicked. I'm sorry, I was just coding for by mistakenly for the backdrop. It should be for the sprite. So I'll do when the green flag is clicked. I'm going to hide the sprite because I don't want it to be visible as soon as we click on this. Now I just want it to create a trail of the star sprite wherever my mouse goes. So that cannot be for number of times. I want it to keep happening whenever I keep moving my mouse. So I'll take forever. I'll take create clone of myself. And from looks, I'll take change color effect. Okay, we have done this, but now how do we make it visible? So in the control, we learned about an event which is related to cloning. That is when I start as a clone. So when you start as a clone, you are going to make the sprite visible using show block. You have written show. Now from motion, let's take go to mouse pointer. You can see how it's coming. We can even do one thing. We can make it wait. I'll make it wait 0.2 seconds, let's say. And then I can even do delete this clone. I'll take delete this clone. So, whenever the clones are getting created, they keep deleting and we keep creating new. Isn't it looking very fun? Colorful stars moving around with my cursor. So, we have learned different type of cloning today. I'll just change the name to star clone. I'll save this. Let's experiment more with the cloning. Now we can make balloons fall, maybe that would be fun with cloning. Where's the balloon? This is the balloon. I'll take a good backdrop. The plain backdrop works for this. Okay, we'll do same thing. When the green flag is clicked, first we hide it like we did in the last project. And now in forever, you're going to create clone. I'll take forever. I'll take create clone of myself. Now instead of changing color, I'm taking next costume. Why I'm taking next costume? Because balloon has different colors already, right, in their costume. And because costume shouldn't happen very fast, I'll take this and I'll change it to 0.3, a smaller number only. This much is done. Now what should happen when we start cloning? So which event? This particular cloning event is only in control. Other events are in event section only. Now using show, we make it visible. Now first thing, I want it to go on the random position, but now here horizontally it will go on random position. Vertically, I want it to fall from the top, so I'll keep it here. What is the vertical position? 110. So I'll take this set y to 110. So it starts from this position. Now I want it to fall. So to fall, when you're making something fall, you are changing y. Vertically, you want it to fall. So vertical thing, if you change, you're going to change y. And if you want it to come down, for down, we always change the number to negative. Let's do change y by -10. Let's see. Now it's just stopping here. So it's repeating only for 10 times. I'll make it 50. See, it's stopping here, isn't it? We don't want it to stop here. So to avoid this, we take a block, delete this clone. See, they are just getting deleted. Isn't it looking really nice when they fall off? Let me just stop and change the name to balloon clone. And we will save this. Let's start a new project. Now we are going to create clone of some person. So we make it look like it's walking. Maybe Abby. And we can take this boardwalk. The size of Abby looks really big, so I'll change it to 70 maybe. Okay, I'll keep it here. Now first, how do we start? We say when the green flag is clicked, we go to the looks and we hide the sprite. We do same like we were doing, then we take repeat. Consider I want to create 10 clones, so I'll just keep it 10 and create clone of myself. Once we create clone of myself, I'm going to take a wait block so that it's not creating clones very fast. I'll make 0.5. Now what should happen when the cloning is started? We have to decide that. So I'll take when I start as a clone. From looks, we take show block. And this position is correct. It should start from this position only. Now let's take repeat. How much it should walk? 30, let's say. Now if it has to walk, it means the X position is going to change. We are going to go on the right side. So we can do change X by 10. And then we have the Abby has the walking costume. So we can even do next costume. Now let's take wait. 0.1 second. We can even do this, delete this clone. So, it looks really fun. Isn't it looking really fun? After a point, the clones are getting deleted. I'll name it as Abby clone. So you can see the code to clone is same, just what should happen once the cloning is started, that is different. I hope you're having fun with clone. I want you to experiment with more codes and see how it is working for you. Thank you so much.